Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're visiting one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the United States, Niagara Falls. Known as the most powerful waterfall in America, this stunning sight attracts millions of visitors every year. But what makes Niagara Falls so special? Where is it located? And how did it become such a famous symbol of natural beauty and strength? Let's find out together. Niagara Falls is actually made up of three separate waterfalls: the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the largest of the three, the Horseshoe Falls. They are located on the border between the United States and Canada, with part of the falls in New York State and the other part in Ontario, Canada. Together, they create the highest flow rate of any waterfall in North America. Every second, over 3,000 tons of water pour over the falls. The sound is thunderous, the mist fills the air, and the power of nature is undeniable. People come from all over the world to feel the energy, take boat tours like the famous Maid of the Mist, and capture the incredible views. The falls were formed over 12,000 years ago during the last ice age, when glaciers melted and carved out the Great Lakes. As water flowed from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario, it created the Niagara River, which eventually formed the waterfalls we see today. Over time, the powerful current has caused the falls to slowly move upstream, shaping the landscape and continuing to evolve. Niagara Falls is not just a tourist destination. It's also a valuable source of hydroelectric power. Engineers have built stations on both the American and Canadian sides to capture the energy of the falling water and turn it into electricity, helping power homes and businesses throughout the region. Throughout history, Niagara Falls has also been the site of adventure and even danger. Daredevils have tried to cross the falls on tightropes or go over them in barrels. Some succeeded, many did not. These stories have only added to the fall's legendary status. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Niagara Falls is called the most powerful waterfall in America and why it continues to amaze people with its beauty and force. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.